Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Let's begin the video. At first, log into the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Now click on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and click on these lines to go to the settings menu. Tap on Account Center and now tap Personal Details. Again tap on Account Ownership and Control and you will see an option that says Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it, choose the account. Now here to deactivate your account temporarily, click on Deactivate Account. Then tap on Continue. Enter your password, tap on Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Your account will now be deactivated until you decide to log back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.